In this video, we're going to show you how you can create a boomerang on Instagram using a photo from your camera roll. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you watch the full tutorial as we'll walk you through the steps one by one. Begin by opening up Instagram and tapping the plus icon in the bottom center. From here, go ahead and select Story on the very bottom and then tap Camera Roll by clicking on the icon in the bottom left. Now you're looking for a picture with this little infinity icon in the top left corner. This is what's going to indicate that it's a live photo, which is required to make a boomerang. If you don't have one yet, simply open up your camera app, untap the icon in the top right to enable a live photo, then simply just take a picture. Once you get back in Instagram, simply go ahead and choose that live photo with that infinity icon. Find that boomerang icon, which is also going to look like an infinity symbol, and just tap it to turn it into a boomerang. It'll look something like this. Now it's going to default to this classic style, but you can adjust it using the options at the bottom if you would like. And from here, just make any additional edits that you like, then tap your story to post it right here. But that's it. You've now just made a boomerang from your camera roll. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe.